In the heart of the game, where dreams collide, nations unite with passion inside. From the streets to the stadiums, we come alive. For the beautiful game, we'll strive, and we'll strive. This is our moment, our time to shine. Under the lights, we'll rise and climb. With every kick